Hello again, YouTube. We are still working on our 82 vet here. Got it aligned. My dad ran it down there, got it done yesterday. And Blake gave it a quick bath. Cleaned it up pretty good on the outside. Still have a few issues with it. The wipers don't work, and a couple of the inside things, power locks, and the passenger power motor does not work. And the cruise doesn't work. So we're just hammering all this stuff out. Been working on the wipers this morning a little bit, and narrowed it down to the wiper motor. This plug here, this middle terminal was hot all the time. These other two are grounds. And did some bench testing. Looked at some stuff on some manuals and some other websites, and actually bench tested on the car, and this top terminal is supposed to be a ground, and when I have power to the middle terminal, this terminal was hot too. So I think I got a short in the motor somewhere. It just barely moves if you wiggle the wires and stuff, so I think I got a dead short somewhere. So I called our local Napa, and they have one. It'll be here tomorrow morning, so we're going to get this off and get it ready for the new one. We're going to start with taking the arm off here, and there's only 3 bolts and a couple wires, and it should pop right out, so let's see what it does. We picked up our rebuilt wiper motor this morning. I'd like to thank Bergenstown Napa for getting that for us. And I've got a few things we got to swap over here. We got these insulators. We got to slip these over, and the cover here, and should be ready to go on. Okay, we got all of our accessories slipped over here from the other one. I'm going to put it in place now. works good. There's low speed. High speed. This is the delay. The delay wipers work. And this is park. I would say this is definitely a success. Also included in this is we're also putting a washer pump motor on here too, so got a new one for that. There's the old one sticking out the side of the car here. I was able to get access to it from between underneath, above, and through that cutout there, so I'm gonna put a new one on here too and get that'll be the whole wiper system working. So thanks for watching this video. You guys don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.